Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and I am from New Delhi. I just completed my BTech in mechanical from Lovely Professional University in 2020. After completing my academic qualification, I got to know about the eVision through online platform and I enrolled here and I just want to express myself and gratitude toward eVision Technosub Private Limited. eVision gives to learn many things in IT profile and gives the right direction towards our career growth. In 45 days of training, I learned a lot of things and technologies, and I got to selected in WIPRO uh, with a package of 2.8 LPA, and I feel very happy and enthusiastic as I got best trainer and helpful staff member who always help me to get best job in the IT field. Trainers are very helpful and supportive and motivate to learn something new to cover all theory part as well as the practical part. I generally recommend eVision those who want to start their career in IT profile. I would like to thanks eVision for giving me startup and career growth. Thank you so much.
Thank you, eVision.
Join eVision, join job.